Sometimes you watch a movie, sometimes you meet some friends, sometimes you go into a certain environment, sometimes you're in a community circle. You'll remember of that. You'll remember all of that, right? So what happens is that they say the power of putting your thoughts on paper helps you big time because it helps you express your ikigai. Ikigai is your passion, your goals, your vision, your mission. And when you're kind of writing itself helps because it's not only clarifying and giving an order to your thoughts and emotions, it's also kind of cleaning up your subconscious or clearing off those unnecessary memories or those unnecessary burdens or bad experiences and everything, and it helps to kind of give life to your emotions and direction to your thought process because it takes your head in the right direction. Okay, so this is what it is, and I kind of remind people to not make somebody else's mess your own mess. Sometimes you have nothing to do with people's issues and tempers and situations and stuff, and you get sucked into those in the online world, in the world of professional environments or personal environments and stuff. So always a good idea to kind of take a breath, relax, and collect yourself, because if there's already some fuming and temper sharing happening, there's already something angry happening there. Why would you even want to make things worse? So to make a situation or to make a environment conducive and friendly, it's very important to bring in with yourself some peace. Yeah. So this is what it is. So write down your thoughts and remember, as a business head, as a visionary, as a leader, as a impact person, as a founder, as a CEO, or whatever role you are, you definitely have a role to play and try and make a positive impact. I would love to wake up and I would love to see some real positive stuff happening rather than seeing the same repetitive killings and murders and rapes and layoffs and flags being burned and graves and everything and all that. So why make it a part of your system or your reality? It may be happening in the world, but the choice lies with you. So try and write down every day, because like I've already shared, writing also gives you this energy. You may have a lot of stuff which you write and you get insights to and stuff. And if you can make a list of what I loved about that experience, what I hated about the experience or dislike about the experience, you will automatically start focusing more on the positive, and that's the way to be. Okay, so rather than looking at the negative, focus on the positive, and then the positive multiplies. Okay, so Lavela can cheers to you on a fantastic chai. And a school of thought says that if you've had bad experiences, you don't have to punish yourself by reliving those. You can avoid those environments. You can you can kind of do away with those people. But the point is this: that remember how you felt and love yourself even more. If something was not feeling good, something was not feeling right, something didn't feel pleasant, something is making you angry, something is bringing out the negative side of you and stuff, try stay away from the environment and choose yourself. Okay, so love it up, can have fun and have a blast. After all, you're responsible for your own disposition and your own health. You're in charge of your own life, right? You're in charge of how you're feeling. Nobody's going to come and make you feel good and great at all times, right? I mean, I'm not, you don't want to depend on someone else to make you feel good or bad, right? That's like giving, the charge of your own emotions and your own mindset to somebody else. So love it, luck, and take care and have fun and have a blast. Enjoy yourself. And I'm back on social media, and I notice a few global people, including my thoughts, and doing similar shares and stuff. There are two international personalities. I think I like their pages and stuff, so they're doing the shares and stuff. I don't want to mention the names here. Very nice to see you kind of sharing similar thoughts and stuff, and you're truly an inspiration to the world and stuff. This one goes to one of the international actors, and the other one goes to one of the TV celebrities. And of course, then there are these other people I know. I'm not very sure about them, but yes, I know one of them is a world. He's a visionary, and I know I'm being followed and stuff. So thank you for the indirect compliment and stuff. And let's try and impact the world in a positive fashion and in a positive manner. And we can definitely be the change that we want to see everywhere around us and stuff. You just need a computer, you just need a phone, you just need your social media, you just need emailing, and sometimes you just need to record something and share it, and the impact multiplies. But the choice is what do you want to share, negative or positive. Should it be something which is useful and helpful, something which is adding value, something which is adding joy, something which is adding and giving a good experience and inspiring people, or something which is going to, suck the energy out of people, make people